everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact customer service for quick hit slots. If you are looking for a way to reach out to the customer support team for quick hit slots, then first of all, open up the Quick Hit Slots app on your device and from the home screen, tap the gear button at the top right corner. From the settings menu, tap on the Help button. You will then be taken to the Submit a Ticket form where you can easily go ahead and fill in the information in the text boxes appearing. Your user ID and your email address will be typed in automatically. In the subject box, type down the subject for what you are trying to reach out to the support for. Enter the location of the issue also on the next field, and then explain your issue in the text box at the bottom. Make sure to provide detailed information about your issue and why you are trying to reach out to the support team. And finally, tap on Submit. After you do that, you'll be replied from the support team and you should receive a response from Quick Hit Slots customer service team within a reasonable time frame. You might receive a response later through the app or via email depending on your issue. So that's how you easily contact Quick Hit Slots customer support team. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.